Dynam's Super Tucano, the EMB 312. We got an in-cockpit camera, and let's see if it's recording. It's blinking. It is recording. I'm going to take this for a maiden flight. Never flown it before, and we're going to see how this thing flies. So we got ailerons, left, right, elevator up, elevator down, rudder to the left, rudder to the right, flaps down. You don't get much flap. Takeoff flaps or landing flaps. And you guys keep your head on a swivel, please. If the plane comes at you, duck, okay? I don't know if we're going to be able to take off. The grass might be too long, guys.